George with 24, Leonard with 28. We got a 1-point game with a minute and a half to go in regulation. LeBron against Green. Shot clock at 6. No help here. LeBron puts it up and down. James.
And James comes away. Brown does a good job again defensively. James looking to back him in. Gets inside close.
But again, there's only a minute and a half to go in the game.
Yeah, if the Lakers can get a score on this possession, they'll be in great shape.
Two-possession game. Looking to keep this winning streak going. Anthony Davis again where he likes it, down on the block. AD, here comes a triple team. Vogel. Now LeBron.
Here's the switch again. That time, see, now you're allowed in the NBA. Years ago, they took switching off the ball and made it okay.
Laker lead is 6 with 3, with 2, with 1 for 3. Short. Long shot lead is precarious. It's just 1. LeBron James with 6 to shoot. Now with 4, with 3. LBJ for 3.
Meanwhile, James and Davis have combined for 55 points. LeBron James looking, finds Davis there. James makes his drive, goes inside, scoop layup, all good. Davis tipped it. Lakers trying to seal the deal here as we get a minute remaining. James pulls back, taking up most of the 24. James on the drive, goes to Chris, gets...
Here we go.
This is what you asked for,
That's
Nate.
exactly right. 2 minutes left. James, will he look down and then fire a 3, Doug?
No, he's too smart, Grant.
Took a while to wake up. Trying to get out of here with a win. LeBron back. A good play.
But can the Lakers convert off of that good play?
Down 3, less than a minute. LeBron, Davis, 3 to tie. Got it!
Back with the jumper. The lead is only 3.
1 possession game. 22 for Shea. LeBron, the big pick by Anthony Davis. LeBron now to AD. Hit that 4-point play a minute ago.
There was going to be a foul, so he just threw it up toward the rim. Mistake there by Jokic. James with Grant on his hip, fires to a cutting Caruso.
The college game to this is exactly what he said. The pounding, the body blows, time and time again, 10 feet and down in this game. They are relentless.
They switch on James. He's got Jokic on him with a shot clock at 5.
And he loves the 3 in this situation.
Instead he drives, gets past Jokic.
Initial one, then James kicked the guy out to play Jokic. Great find by Jokic.
That was Grant on the basket. Here's James driving again on Jokic. Fires out to Davis. 3 on the way. In and out. Rebounded by Chris.
6. It's a 1-point game. We're under 2 minutes. They're up on the bench in Detroit. Lakers need a little ball movement.
Got the short clock again.
With 5. LeBron, 1-on-1. LeBron kicking. Anthony Davis.
2-point lead. Sean Holmes playing with 5 fouls. Now he's on LeBron.
You might see him go for the jugular now, though. Yep.
They're clearly backing off. James again letting the clock run down. Now makes his move. James, step back three-pointer.
That if you get the possession, the last shot of this game as well.
6 threes by Paul George. 4-second difference. LeBron on the fly. Got his own miss. And
Need a scratch here to keep the pressure back on the Nets to score.
That's what LeBron did last time. Get to the basket.
seconds to go. James signals for Caruso to come. Here's the switch. Craig's on James with 4, with 3. James with 2, gets the shot away, no good.
He's really had a great year for this former team.
Avery Bradley for 3. Well, Pope gives it up for James. 9 to shoot under 2 minutes to play. Cook sends the screen. Brogdon sticks with James. Backing LeBron. Step back. Short.
It's Anthony Davis, defensive player of the year candidate. A guy a lot bigger than him with contact, and he gets it up and puts it in the basket.
Pacers up by 1. 10 to shoot, just over a minute to play. Cook swings it. Davis a 3. Rebound.
4-point game again. LeBron just waiting to pick it up. Does not want to eat the clock. LeBron will try a 3. Yes!
A triple-double. That is his 12th of the year. He ties Luka Doncic for the most in the league this season. Caruso penetrates.
19, 26 points.
This possession, there's 28 seconds. If they don't score here, then they're going to get put into a foul situation. That doesn't look good offensively.
LeBron backing it up. Guarded by Chandler. Here comes a pick by Bradley. LeBron with 13 to shoot. Shot clock is 4 ahead of the game. LeBron looks to attack. Here he goes all the way. Lakers down 2. Danny Green got to get it in. Finds LeBron. With 4. With 3. LeBron all the way. AD to win the game.
Rondo will inbounds. They've got to score immediately. Davis has it. Fires up a 3-pointer.
So all the 3-point shooters we mentioned are in there. Cook with it. Shot clock is off. Point out on top. Now to LeBron James. Need a 3 to tie. LeBron gets the move on its way to tie the game. Foul up top.
Pelicans up 1. And the dust settles here. James.
I'm doubling that.
No double team. He kicks it out. Makes the right play. Kuzma corner 3. Killer.
Again, I'm coming off Caruso.
Josh Hart guarding Caruso. No double team yet. LeBron one-on-one against Holiday. 7 on the shot clock. Trying to back him down. Holiday holding his ground. LeBron.
So the lead, the ball, with 40 seconds left. Davis has 11 boards tonight. LeBron with his back to the basket. Chris Paul right on his hip with 6 to shoot. LeBron with 3, with 2. Tough shot. Gonna be short.
Point of the season.
Caldwell Pope. They work it around to James, who's got 32 points, but just 1 of 7 from 3-point land. Driving.
Right back in. That was
This is the
offense, defense.
biggest possession of the game for the Lakers. They have got to score here. If they miss here, they're in deep trouble.
And LeBron has it on the perimeter. Finds Cook on its way for 3. He's got it!
Possession is the most important. Now, this one is the most important by far. Under a minute, down 4.
No fouls to give either side. LeBron spinning.
And 8 rebounds, which brings us to tonight. James will get it. Shot clock at 4. Back to Green. Here's the 3. Off. It's found. It's Matthews, Lopez, Hill, out to Tacumbo as Davis has it. Kicks it out to Green. Good fake in the 3. Got it.
He's doing is incredible.
incredible. But I can't believe Anthony Davis did not get up on that pick and roll.
James hits a
LeBron to inbound. Bates Diop is on him. Anthony Davis picked up by Vogel. Here comes Kuzma for the win. Got it!